my beautiful friends. So I want to try to recreate this style. Okay, firstly, so what I'm just trying to do is pack this rest up, which is always so hard for me. I don't know why, but yeah. Wow, I checked my phone and it was not recording. That's so bad. So what I did was to pack it up. And I used this black little rubber to hold it. So I'm going to do that again. But I'm going to, instead of me to just hold it, I'm going to pack it up like this and hold it like this, because of the style I'm trying to create. So and going to pack it, hold it. This rubber is so tiny. Okay, just have to calm down and put it in little by little. Struggling. Okay, now that everything is in, I feel like it's too loose. I wanted it to be very tight, but I don't have a rubber band. Oh fuck, now I'm frustrated. Okay, what do I do? Okay, I think it can still work. I just have to like scatter it. Now I look funny. I'm just reducing what I packed, like, so it won't be too much. Okay. What do you guys think? I think it's better like this. So that's that for the bun. Now for the front. It's getting there, but my wax stick, I'm just going to put a little. There's no situation your hot comb cannot fix. Yeah, there's no situation your hot comb cannot fix. So I'm just going to use this to press. Okay, let's just do it. This rope is so short. I'm just going to take that step by step. The wax is to prevent, you know, all those hair flyovers. Until flyover they call it. I don't know, please. So yeah. While the reason why I'm using this here is to make it slip. Ouch. Careful. Okay, wait, I think I'm just going to take it in. Okay, that's like combing it then. Oh my god, I'm so careful because of my scalp. I'm not trying to burn my scalp. what I did was to put the what I did was to put the strands in here, then use this to make it slip. Does that make sense? I don't know, but so yeah, that is it. Let me check if this place is supposed to curl in or out. What do you guys think? I'm not done. What do you think is the same? I don't think it's the same. The bun is different. Her bun is different from mine. But excuse me, her bun is different from mine. But excuse me, I'm not a professional. I'm just like you. Okay. So, what do you guys think? Are you going to try this? Do you think I tried? So this is the end of this video. If you like, if you enjoyed watching this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and tell me if you want more videos like this. Please guys, I want to hear it. I want to hear it. So I adjusted the bun. What do you think? So guys, rate me. What are you going to rate this style from the original?